How to find Freshdesk API key. In this video, I'll show you how to find Freshdesk API key. So to get started, go ahead and open Freshdesk on your preferred browser, sign in to your account, and then once you're in here, click on your account icon at the top right of your screen. And then under that, you'll be able to find the profile settings. So click on this and then click on profile settings, and that will take you into the section. So at the right side, you'll find this view API key button. So click on that. And then you need to actually accomplish this reCAPTCHA first before you can actually view your API key. So as you can see, your API key will allow you to interconnect your Freshdesk account to the different applications that you want to incorporate to your account. So once you're done with this, you can go ahead and view your API key. You can copy this. You can also reset it. And that is how you can basically find Freshdesk API key. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.